Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. So this is going to be a very short vlog. I'm just going to be helping a small business named Lapu-lapu Healthy Breads, and I actually ordered their whole wheat loaf because they were on sale. It's 50% off on their whole wheat loaf breads, so 75 na lang siya sa ka-loaf, guys. And the good thing is they also sell hummus. Dili daw ni hummus, hummus daw ni. So it actually smells like those Mediterranean food, like the cream and shawarma, mga ana gani. And you can use this as palaman. So I'm gonna be trying it now, and I'm gonna tell you how I feel about it because it's my first time. Perhaps I have eaten this before, but I don't really have any idea na mao na dito kung gikaon. So let me go ahead and take a video of it. So this is their bread. It's really huge. See? 75 pesos na ni. They're on sale. So please take advantage of it. I will give you the link below. This is not a paid advertisement. I'm just helping them out. So I'm gonna slice I won't show you. Sa mukha. Marisig ka tao.
Slice with your clothes.
I did not show it to them. So muna siya. And I'm gonna try out their hummus. Wait, korrektahin ko na yung pronunciation. I really like the smell. More siya ka ng hummus. Hummus. Like Thomas. Hummus. Anyway, I'm gonna taste it now. And I'm gonna tell you how it tastes like. And if I like it, I'm gonna reorder it. So, kaning hummus, sounds like Thomas, is 150 pesos. And this is only, alamot ko sa iyang grams. Pero 150 na siya, and langpan, again, is 152 loaves. And their bread, it doesn't have preservatives as well as their palaman. So you need to put it in your refrigerator. Sa bread, it needs to be airtight na container. So kung ibutan ninyo siya plastic, make sure it's tightly wrapped. Oh. It does taste like shawarma. So I think I'm gonna like this palaman. It's very not your common palaman na mga cheese. Because we also have palaman na cheese, pero mahalin din ba kay mga tao, di mga pang na mga cheese. So nara siya skilled. Anyway, I like it. So I'm gonna suggest you try this as well. It doesn't have preservatives again, so please make sure to refrigerate it. And it tastes like the sauce in shawarma, right? So if you like Mediterranean food like shawarma, falafel, and manakish, chareng, kaya big nakatilaw ko bago lang, you might like this one. So try it. If you have tasted this, so good for you. Karon pa ko ani. So guys, mao to siya ang vlog na ko about their whole wheat loaf of bread and their hummus. Hummus. Okay. And by the way, kay whole wheat ni siya, di kaya na siya makatambok na pan. Compared to the common mga sliced bread sa market, if you choose whole wheat, gamay ra kayang carbs. So if you're on a diet, this is actually good for you so much, guys. So guys, if you like this very short vlog about their food, please order from Lapu-lapu Healthy Breads. I have their link down in the description box. And if you appreciate my vlog, which is not paid advertisement, please do leave a like, leave your questions in the comment section, and also please don't forget to subscribe to subscribe to my channel and tap on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much. Do support small businesses, especially in this time of pandemic. God bless you all and do take care.
Bye!